we told you we don't got your shit, and if you want to die over your shit, it's gonna get like that, boy. Y'all ain't nobody.
Stole it out there, bro.
Goofy ass
What
niggas.
you talking about, bro? Stop.
Hey, nigga, y'all ass still lying, nigga. Shut your bitch ass up.
They still got more money than y'all.
Y'all still lying.
Zay don't have no money. That's why he signed the OTF.
We been.
I heard him screaming, oh, May, it's only one, bro. Woman, army, Judah, baby, what's the
Oh, wolfing with the wrong nigga. Y'all wolfing with the wrong nigga. Phone them took y'all. Phone them took y'all, not me. What the fuck?
I brung old murder in. I brung.
Yeah, we told you we don't got your shit, and if you want to die over your shit, it's gonna get like that, boy. Y'all ain't nobody.
Stole it out there, bro.
Goofy ass niggas.
What you talking about, bro? Stop.
Hey, nigga, y'all ass still lying, nigga. Shut your bitch ass up.
They still got more money than y'all.
Zay don't have no money. That's why he signed the OTF.
We been.
Hey, you backwards as hell, Lil Zay. On Steve, you broke as hell. You signed a smirk. That nigga signed. You want to argue with me? You 4 years behind me. On Steve, I did what you did 5 years ago. Fuck is you talking about? So lame ass song. And look, Keno and them in here on Steve McGee, nigga. They ain't take my chain. They gon' coop. Get y'all fan ass on. They took another nigga. Fuck is you talking about? But y'all, no, on my brother, no. What the fuck, wrong nigga? Where y'all getting y'all stories from? Stay off YouTube on Coop. He down there, nigga. He ain't touch me, nigga. Ain't nobody touch me, nigga. And I got all my jewelry on Lusty, nigga. Let's do J-Check. Where your shit at? Get your lame ass on. Man, get your bum ass on, nigga. Now y'all mad. Y'all thought they took me. Y'all thought they took me. Ah, that's what y'all get on Steve. Shut your bitch ass. Go get your watches back. Now you got 4. Now you got 4.
But you on IG crying over yo. Watch your bitch ass up.
Hey, the reason I even posted anything, cause niggas, I was just trying to clear up the fact that niggas saying they robbed me. On J Money, you niggas stole while I was asleep. Y'all ain't robbed me. Don't lie like that. That's the only thing I was clearing up. They talking about, oh, we gonna get the watches back. I don't want them back. On Dre, a motherfucker gonna die behind.
Man, fuck all that. Your homie just merged. Your homie just merged on J Money. They robbed me, knocked me out, all that on Steve, nigga. Ain't none of that shit happen, nigga. Y'all burning J Money on Coop, nigga. Y'all bogus. Y'all lame ass on, nigga. Ain't no listening. Ain't no coming back from burning your homie, nigga. Fuck you. I got all my J. I'm not no you ass nigga. Fuck you doing something I did 5 years ago. Get your lame fan ass on.
Oh my God, on tape book.
You never had no real money.
You was a YouTube rapper.
I'm talking to you, not your backup dancers.
Stop doing that, folks.
I'm talking to you, not your backup dancers.
Why would we steal your J and go around the real gang?
Gang, you lame as hell, gang.
One mic.
That's why they took you. They took you. That's why they took you. Shut up, bitch. I got all my J on Steve, nigga. I got all my J.
Why would we steal your J, then go around tell everybody we robbed you?
You can't use the word took.
But tell everybody else we robbed you. Make it make sense.
You can't use on J Money and dude them right there, lying hoes and lying all type of motherfuckers talking about y'all robbing.
Why would we tell you we don't got it?
Why would we tell you we don't got it and go around y'all still want to suck dirt dick? That's why you telling motherfuckers y'all ain't got it. That's why.
Man, what you got so fucking goofy, gang? And you told you, I ain't gonna lie, you the J. You signed with phone them just to get phone them wrapped up.
Oh, hey, listen.
Only guys, your ass signed with phone them to get them wrapped up. Your ass the J.
All right, man.
That's
what we gonna do. Put the conversation on something else. That's what we gonna do.
Hey, who is that talking though? Talking about bodies. And shit, nigga, I was in jail for 2 times.
Then he just
police ass nigga. You talking about shit that I was in jail for?
You niggas never did. Y'all not gonna go to jail for it because y'all did not do it.
Hey, didn't you just get out the feds in New York? Why you talking about bodies on?
Why you talking about bodies and shit?
Didn't you just get out the feds?
Yo, bitch.
Hey, you talking about bodies like that? I got the DM. And then I got the DM.
Niggas on Steve, nigga. That's what y'all get thinking I got took. Y'all fan ass. Stay off YouTube, goofy.
I ended up getting out, signing with Lil Durk. He's with Warner Bros, so I don't know why he signed with Lil Durk. But they end up getting into it on Clubhouse, and then out the Clubhouse, they got off Clubhouse. They was in a steamer, what we call a stolen car. They was in a stolen car, and they got pulled over by Illinois State Police. When Illinois State Police tried to pull them over, they went on a high speed and ended up going downtown, running downtown towards where Lil Zay Osama room was. They held the SWAT team. It was a hostage situation, but that ain't the bud of all of it, man. Hey, look, Lil Zay Osama, one of the guys got away who was with Lil Zay Osama. They didn't know who he was or none of that. He was on electronic monitoring too, right? The man went home. Lil Zay and them in jail. He got on the internet, bro, and got to bragging to everybody how he escaped it. How they got popped off and he escaped the gun charges, man. And now they got his ass in custody, man. It's crazy, bro. And he was on house arrest, bro. Like, people like them, bro, deserve to be off the street, bro. They riding around with choppers looking for people. You know what I'm saying? And then they get on the internet and brag about it, bro. This is another case of that, man. Tell your kids, man, don't join no gang. They minors, they 9, they are somebody. And if you don't believe that, tell a man, stop it.